Do you ever feel like not customizing a wig? Because this wig came pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked? Yeah. I was able to do so many styles with this closure wig. This is a HD closure. Now let me show you how I styled this hair in so many different ways. My hair, my way. Now, fun fact, Nadula has leveled up with their fantastic brand new upgrade. Look at their new stunning packaging. This is the cutest bag. You can use it as storage. You can put your wig back into it, or you can wear it out and pair it with a cute fit. So just be patient with Nadula. They are switching over. And I've been working with Nadula for years. And I've also had people come back and tell me that when they ordered their wig, it's exactly how they seen it in my video. So you have nothing to worry about with this company. And the fact that they have undergone an exciting brand transformation is just a cherry on top. Now, let's talk about this wig. And again, this wig is going straight on my head from right out of the box. No plucking, no bleaching. All I'm doing is working with my hot comb. That's it. And if you know, closures are the easiest to work with. The fact that you only have just this a little bit of closure that's going from temple to temple, so not that very little, but it's not a frontal, so we're going to say it's small. Going from temple to temple is the best. You can wear this wig glueless. I'm going to show you how it looks glueless, or you can glue it. I'm going to show you how it looks glued down as well. So I'm going to go through first and flat iron this hair just so I can get it to look good and sleek. And instantly you can see how much body that this wig has. It's almost like a yaki straight texture, so it has a lot of volume and it kind of mimics my hair as if I was to get it straightened. I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some makeup to my lace just so I can get it to blend in just a little bit more. So just going in with a pressed powder, that's the color of my skin tone, and you see how the lace just seems to melt with no product that I added as far as glue. Only thing I've added right now is the powder. And see that? That's all you really need for real. So like I said, you can wear this glueless. Just comb it down, insert your combs if you like, and it won't go anywhere. And the part goes all the way back, almost to the crown of my head. And you will see how I part off the sides because you have a lot of area on the side. And the fact that this is a closure. Look at this. It is a closure and it looks amazing. See here, no glue. So the choice is yours. Either way it go, you get this beautiful hairline that has been pre-plucked and customized to a T, to where it takes all of the guesswork out of you. You have nothing to do but apply it on your head and style it as you like. Because within seconds you can have it on because it can be glueless. Or you can be like me and switch it up and add a little bit of glue. So I'm going to be using the Erica J lace adhesive. I want to mainly use glue because I want to apply in some ponytails and make sure that it's secure on my head. So I'm just doing the lace adhesive here. You can use lace glue or you can use holding spray. But either one you do, make sure you dry it completely before you go ahead and style it. Yeah, I was really feeling myself at this point, honey. It was gorgeous. It was melted. So I'm going to go ahead and style the first style into the two ponytails, just sectioning off the side and using my hot comb to make sure everything is pressed out and neat. Because with this wig, because I did not have to bleach the knots myself, it's perfect. It's very much giving scalp, is melted, and using a hot comb just adds a little cherry on top. Yeah, just like that, a beautiful style with a closure. You will not be able to tell that this is a closure. If you didn't know, I'm sure you would think that this was a frontal. Look at all that parting space. The hairline is amazing. The blunt cut in the back, I love it. All around. Scalp, giving scalp. And if you didn't notice, I didn't use any holding spray or any product when I did these two ponytails here. All I did was hot comb them into place and pull them back and added rubber bands. The scalp is giving. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch it up and take away this middle part by using my hot comb. And then here I did use some holding spray. I used the Got to Be Glued holding spray, I was trying to close up that middle part, but I really could have done without it. It was fine, but yeah. And here's a little glimpse of how this style looks with my hair straightened before I add the bow and curls. Now we're going to take the bow that they sent me. I'm so excited. It's my first time using one of these bows, and baby, it was so cute. So I just applied that around my ponytail. That was it. It wasn't nothing to it. And then, yeah, she looked good. It may not be everybody's cup of tea, but yeah, I'm late to this trend. And as soon as I put it on my head, I was feeling it. It was so gorgeous. I'm going to go to the hair store and get me other colors and try it out with other styles. So just taking my flat irons and doing some loose little curls with this bob was perfect. So you guys definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this closure wig that came pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. Would you like something like this? If so, click the link down below and go get yours. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Nadula.